Hello, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy F22 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the camera timer on this device. First we need to open the camera app. To do it, tap on this icon right here. Once you open the camera app, right here, tap on this icon in the middle of this row. That's the timer icon. Once you tap on it, you will see the options. And you have 2 seconds, 5 seconds and 10 seconds. Select the option you like, for example 5 seconds, like this. It will say the timer is enabled for 5 seconds. And now when you press the shutter button to take a picture, the countdown will start, and after it's done, the picture will be taken. Like this. And if you want to turn off the timer, simply tap on this icon again and select the off option, like this. And that's how you enable the camera timer on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.